There are many materials you can use to create a garden path, such as this old concrete path, of course, a very popular material. But what you want to consider is what the look you want is and what kind of function it's going to perform. Now, I have three different methods here. The first one is using gravel, and what I've put a plastic liner, which is non-porous, down and created a frame with bender board, whether it's wood or plastic. And what's going to happen then is that this is going to stay in place and it will not work its way down into the soil. You can do the same thing with mulch, and again, it will just stay in place. But what I prefer to do is to put this right on the soil so that it will work its way in and eventually create a really wonderful, rich compost. A third thing that you might consider is using pavers, and whether they're brick pavers or concrete pavers or Mexican saltillos, anything like that, lay it out in the pattern that you like and put in a combination of sand and soil, and then plant a walkable ground cover. I like to use thyme, but there are lots of others that'll create a really nice lacy frame and be a very pretty walkway.